Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths. Now I am going to teach you an example of decimal form of rational numbers. First we are going to study the terminating type of decimal form, 15 upon 4. So let me divide 15 by 4. Denominator 4 is there, that is divisor. 15 is the dividend. So let's divide. 4 3s are 12. Okay, because 4 4s are 16. 15 number, here 4 table is not going. Last small which is coming out to see that by telling 4 table. Okay, 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2, 3. Now you are not getting reminder 0 here in simple division. Now you have to take the decimal point. Take this 0 down. 4 7s are 28. 30 minus 28. You can do cancellation method also. 0 minus 8 is not going. Or direct method also you can do. 30 minus 28, how much answer is coming? See. 2. Now this 0 you have to bring down. 4 almost are 20. 4 5s are 20. Now the division is coming to an end after the decimal point. Okay, we got remainder 0 after continuing the division of decimal point. So what is terminating decimal form? In textbook it is given definition clearly. Now in this example of this division, when we continue division after the decimal point, we get remainder 0. So this type of decimal form of a rational number is called terminating decimal form. Got it? Now second type of decimal form we are going to study. It is called recurring decimal form. Now this is mixed number. Mixed number convert into improper fraction. This I taught you many times. So first, denominator 9 write as it is. Numerator what is there here? This you have to take here multiplication form in numerator. 2 into 9 plus numerator what number you have, that you have to take. Remember this step of improper fraction when I am solving here. This mixed number you have to convert into improper fraction. Write this denominator as it is. Multiply this and then you have to add. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 3. 21 upon 9. So now you have to divide this 21 by 9. Nine 2s are 18. Okay. 21 minus 18 subtract 3. So continue the division after decimal point. $30 number is not going 9 table. Take last small which is coming. 9 3s are 27. 30 minus 27 do. Answer coming 3. take 0 again. 9 3s are 27. Now you have to stop this division because the division does not come to an end after the decimal point. Okay, so this type of decimal form of a rational number is called recurring decimal form. So after that you have to write final answer. 2 3 upon 9 is equal to quotient what you are getting 2.33. Here digit 3 is repeating. Single digit or a group of digit occurs repeatedly on the right of the decimal. Okay, so this type of decimal form of a rational number is called recurring decimal form. This is the definition. Digit 3 is repeating here. Put dot on top of 3 because one digit is repeating. If you are putting dot on that number which is repeating, no need to write again that number after putting dot or line. So this is the answer. This both the type of decimal form of rational numbers here. You have to write the question here again, and quotient what you are getting out, write answer. Even if the digits are repeating, question you have to write what is given, and answer you have to which digit is repeating. On top of that number you can either put line, or one digit is repeating, put dot. If you like my maths teaching method, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.